Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So we've got a new video for today. So we've got a new vlog about my Nintendo Switch OLED, right? So yes, what's in my Nintendo Switch OLED? So the games of my Nintendo Switch OLED is also connected into my Nintendo Switch Lite also, which I have also a secondary Switch Lite, right? So and it's also all of the games that is gonna be synced right into the from my Switch Lite into my Nintendo OLED, right? So, okay, I'm gonna have to show you my Switch Lite, okay? So, this is my secondary Switch Lite. So, and it's also all the games right here is also, yeah. I'm gonna have to turn it on, okay? There you go. So, first is I'm gonna have to show, okay, it's, low on battery, okay? So, I can play this one, okay? Okay, I forgot to charge it up. Okay, so yeah, but some of the games of my Switch Lite is already already here in my OLED, right? So okay, let's go. I'm gonna have to put this on right over here. So okay, so since my desk is too small, right? So I still haven't have is that right? Okay. I still haven't had a bigger desk for my vlogging setup, right? So okay, let's go. Gonna get over to this one. So all the games, okay, all the games right over here is in the virtual game cards, right? So from my other Switch Lite, right? So game from my others from my so got right here is all of the games, right? So this one right over here, second account right for my Nintendo Switch, and also other games are having a second account also, right? So just for example, Pokemon Unite. So this Pokemon Unite is also the Pokemon Unite account is in my Mangmi Air X, right? So that is the one that I am playing with. So yeah. But it's on mobile, right? So it's on mobile. So I'm on mobile version for my secondary Pokemon Unite, and it's also another account for the Speedstorm, and also another account for the Asphalt. Also, Arena of Valor. I can play the game, but the matchmaking is too long for it, right? So I still have the Fall Guys, the YouTube, and also Kirby Clash with another account again, yeah, and also a Pokemon Quest, okay, and it's also Smite, but Smite is not available anymore in Nintendo Switch, right? So you can play Smite in PlayStation 4, right? So yeah, and also Eternal, we got this Light Seekers. This Eternal and Light Seekers are trading card game just like a Yu-Gi-Oh, right? Yu-Gi-Oh. So, and it's also a Gems of War, another account. Okay, so Stumble Guys. And there's also Warface Clash, another account. And also this one, the Dragon Ball Gekishin Squadra. I always play it in my Nintendo Switch here in OLED. But the gameplay that I made into my gameplay channel is in my Mangmi Air X, right? So since it's just like a mobile, right, version. So got some Universe Online, Bleach, Brave Soul. So I'm gonna have to make gameplay for the Bleach Brave Soul, right? So into my gameplay channel. Star Wars na is not available anymore. They just discontinued the game, Star Wars Hunters. Okay, and also we got some My Hero Ultra Rumble. So I already have also I started making a gameplay for this one, and also World War Z. Oh, okay, this is really really ridiculous, right? It's because when I'm playing, it is so yeah, it's so thrill, but but the gameplay is really I'm gonna have to continue the game also, right? So I already played this one, but yeah, we got also some Drift Legends too. We got some Wall of Tanks, Cover Fire, offline shooter. You can play it without internet, right? So Frag, and then also I got some BioShock, which is I'm still stuck in the. I think I'm almost done with this game, but I'm stuck at the what is called the in the in the airship which I'm gonna have to destroy all the zeppelin, right? Little Strays, the game is good, so but it really goes to it really goes for getting it keeps getting harder, right, the game. Yeah, so it is not just it is not just an easy or a casual game, but sometimes other challenges for the game can be difficult sometimes, right? And also Warframe are really in love with the game, so I play this on my Switch 2, right? I'm really in love with the game. So Cup Heroes, this one is a really good one. Yeah, I enjoyed playing this one on handheld, right? Overwatch, okay. And we've got a Crossout Legends with another account. Pokemon Champion, second account in my OLED. I already have in my Switch 2. This Royal Vermin, I still haven't played this one. Sky Chiller of the Light, I discontinued playing the game. Okay, I discontinue. So, but I am still planning to play because I am just discontinuing the gameplay onto my gameplay channel. So since I want to decrease some games, right? It's because it's too many games, or it's too many games already that I want yeah. So okay. This one Hitman 3 Cloud version, so yeah, and also Animal World is still ongoing, and also the Fast Penguin, right? So right over here is let's go gonna get this all of the games that installed, right? So the game that you see in the game that you see in this one virtual game cards is not all the games that that has not installed, right? So right over here is all of the games that I have. So we've got the Pokemon Sword. So I'm gonna be making a gameplay for the Pokemon Sword, right? So into my gameplay channel, BioShock. We got some Pokemon Champions, Pokemon Unite, Sky, Children of the Light, Gems of War. I'm really hooking into the game, right? So I am so in love with the game, also the Gems of War. Hero Ultra Rumble, I got Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, and I am playing via handheld, right? So Little Strays, Cup Heroes, Royal Vermin, what is one? Warface Clutch, Asphalt Legends, World War Z, as Animal World, okay, Animal World, and also Fast Penguin, Crossout Legends, Overwatch, Cover Fire, and Dragon Ball Gekashin Squadron, right? So yes, all of this game is gonna be yet here. So let's go gonna get all onto the settings. So what you gonna do with the settings? Okay, right over here, I'm gonna have to some tutorials to make. Okay, into the OLED. So mostly some of the Switch OLED users don't know how to use this one, right? So let's get over to the system. So the system for this one is the current version 22.1.0. Update dock, okay. Update the Nintendo Switch dock firmware, okay. That is the word, okay. You can, no. And also, the language, date and time, console battery, you have to press that on. Console sound, okay. Mute when headphones are disconnected, okay. And then also, right over here at the change display color, you have some, like that one, right? So, and then right over here at the end, okay, right over at the end. So we got right here the console screen colors. Yeah, you just have to change into standard, right? Not the vivid one, okay? So there's right here, what is that one? Burn, okay. No. Okay, into the TV settings, okay. We've got the TV resolution, which is automatic. So I didn't change anything, right? So if I'm gonna change it, I think the the quality of the graphics will be blurry, right? So but you know, I didn't change it, so I'm gonna have to try it out, right? So I'm gonna have to try it out. So what is the best resolution, right? So for the TV, I think it's good for the console also, right? So I still haven't figured out that yet. So RGB range, we've got the automatic, the full range, and the limited range. So I think I'm gonna have to go to the full range RGB, right? So you know, adjust the screen size. You cannot adjust the screen size because you have to connect into a TV, right? So and it's also screen burn in reduction. So what is this mean is the reduce screen brightness after the 5 minutes of inactivity. So I just turn it on. So default for the on. So and also watch TV power state, I also turn it on. Okay. When switching to TV mode with the console dock or when the console exits sleep mode, the TV will turn on, right? Turning off the TV will put the console in sleep mode. So HDMI settings must be also enabled on your TV. Some TV models may be unable to use this, right? So TV, okay, that's one. TV sound, okay, I got the stereo. That was the default stereo. So I just changed the RGB range into full range, right? And it's also, I still haven't tried out the resolution, right? So if the game is gonna be blurry, right? So either console or in the TV. So I'm gonna have to experiment that one. Okay, so the controllers and sensors are good also right over here. Yeah, so I don't need to change anything right over here, right? So and also we've got the sleep mode right over here, so you can kind of have to, you know, that one. So notifications, just like, yeah, and then also the themes, we can have the basic light and also the basic dark, and also amiibo. So if you have a toy amiibo, right, you just have to put that one over here, and then yeah, go. And then we got the me, okay, we got the users, right? So you just have to skip selection screen, add user, transfer your data, so you can change the icon if you want to, right? So you can change the icon. So a lot of icon right over here, but it seems I don't see Pikachu, right? Okay, I don't see Pikachu, only all the, you know, Super Mario characters are only in here. So I didn't see any Pokemon, right? Yeah, so we got some also Star Fox, right? So yeah, here you go. So I'm still choosing Kirby. So you can change the background also. You can, yeah, look at that. So and then change that one, okay, just like Kirby's color, okay, and then gonna have to go, okay. So play activity settings, you can check the play activity settings if you want, right? And it's also, that's my Nintendo account, you're gonna be asterisk for that. Yeah, so that, you know, check, okay. And then like that one, so all of the, you know, like that one, okay. So and we've got the data management. So the system memory, yeah, I have the free space of 1 GB. So I still have the space for the micro SD for 33.7 gigabyte, right? So there you go. Yeah. And then move data. So you just have to like that one. So delete, manage screenshots in videos. What is one? Okay. I didn't see that. Okay. Yeah. Transfer your save data like that one. So save data, cloud, manage software. So there you go, manage software. So yeah, the big free space is the blue one, I think. Yeah, 30/7. Yeah, those are big games that has been installed here into my, you know, right? So into my OLED. So gonna have to go back, okay. And we got some quick archive, move data. So internet, There you go. So, and then also parental controls, screen lock. So, lock console in sleep mode, always turn that on. So, default. Screen brightness, airplane mode, and support and health safety. So, alright. So, yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's it for my Nintendo Switch OLED, right? So yeah, and also we got right here Scottish Page. Yeah, that's the name of our dog who passed away, right? So yeah, I still use the name of that one. Okay, so there is also one thing that if yeah, so yeah, because there's also secret tips, right? Okay, if you want to press the ZL and ZR, the battery will show up also. Yeah, that's one thing that I didn't know, right? So, and also the games, right? So, and then got some quick tour. Okay, here's the album. So, okay, there's no screenshot in videos, game share, controllers. Yeah, well, game share. So yeah. Yeah, there you go. You have it like that one for the game share, also for OLED, and also for the controllers. Look at that. So yeah, still on full battery, right? So okay, yeah. I think that's it for my video for today, and also I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and also see you again on the next one, everyone.